It is essential for Android users to master the way of backing up and restoring phone data with Google Drive. And here, we will show you the details about them at length. How to back up Android phone with Google Drive. Launch Settings app on your phone and then go to Backup and Reset option. Choose Backup My Data and toggle the button on. Next, go back to the Back and Reset page to check the Google account is associated. In Backup Account in the end, you can switch on the feature Automatic Restore, which can restore settings and data while installing applications. Restore Android phone from Google Backup when needed. Log into the Google account that you have used to back up your Android data. After that, the sync data will be displayed on the interface. Just select a device to view them. Finally, click on Restore to get them back. Alternative way to back up and restore Android data. This process would be more quickly than Google Backup since it can be completed within one simple click with the help of Mobikin Assistant for Android. Establish a connection between your phone and computer. Next, run the program and open USB debugging on your phone according to the prompt. When your phone is successfully recognized, you will get the main interface as below. Tap on Super Toolkit and select Backup. Now, you will see a pop-up window with a list of folders. Just tick the file types that you wish to back up and elect a suitable location to save them. At last, just hit Backup to start the moving process. If you want to restore the backed up data, you can simply go to Super Toolkit Restore and check the wanted files. Then, you can click on Restore button to get back your data.